Hey guys, welcome to my channel Diva Mode. Hope you're all doing good. So today, unlike my beauty and makeup tutorial videos, I'm gonna take you through few insights about skin types and the basic skincare routine. No matter how great your makeup products are, if you do not know your skin type and also if you do not have a basic skincare routine, your makeup is not gonna look flawless. Hence, it's very important to figure out what your skin type is so that you can figure out a basic skincare routine for yourself. Alright, so let's get started. So when it comes to skin types, there are four basic skin types: dry skin, normal skin, oily skin, and combination skin. Let's start from the dry skin. The people with dry skin usually have invisible pores, rough skin, less elastic skin, and more visible lines. The causes can be genes, age, hormones, weather, indoor heating, long hot baths, ingredients in soaps, or cosmetics. I can give little tips to the dry skin people. Take shorter showers or baths no more than once a day. Use mild soaps or cleansers. Use a rich moisturizer after bath. Reapply the moisturizer if needed. Use humidifier. And yeah, the last and the very important one, drink lot of water. Next comes the normal skin. The people with normal skin usually have no or very few imperfections on their skin. Their pores are barely visible and their complexion is always radiant. Their skin is not too dry or not too oily. Even the people with normal skin has to have a basic skincare routine. Next comes the oily skin. The people with oily skin usually have enlarged pores. Their complexion can be dull and shiny. There can be presence of blackheads, pimples, and other blemishes. Even after washing your face, there can be presence of oil residues on your skin. The causes can be hormonal imbalances, stress, puberty, and the weather conditions. Few tips for the oily skin people are: wash your face thrice a day, use gentle cleanser and don't scrub. Look for the word non-comedogenic on skincare products and cosmetics, which means it won't clog the pores. I have oily skin and I have been dealing with this since puberty. And the fourth skin type is the combination skin. The people with combination skin can have dry or normal in some areas and oily in other areas, such as the T-zone, which includes nose, forehead, and chin. Many people usually have this type of skin. It needs different care in different areas. So these are the four basic skin types. Few people might have a question in them, as in what exactly is a sensitive skin? Anyone belonging to either of these four categories can have sensitive skin. Sensitive skin can show up as redness, itching, burning, or dryness. They are often caused in response to a particular product. So let's get into the skincare routine. It is very important to have a basic skincare routine no matter what skin type you are. The first and the foremost step in the basic skincare routine is exfoliation. Everyone has to exfoliate your skin so that you remove all the dead skin cells that are laying on your skin surface. You can use any of your favorite exfoliator to exfoliate your skin. If you do not exfoliate your skin, all the skincare products that you're going to apply on your skin are going to make no sense because they're not going to penetrate into your skin. The second point in the basic skincare routine is to wash your face. It is very important to wash your face at least twice a day so that you remove all the impurities laying on your skin surface. The third point in the basic skincare routine is to moisturize your skin. No matter what skin type you have, you need to moisturize. If you have an oily skin, then please moisturize with a gel-based moisturizer. And if you have a dry skin, please moisturize your face with a rich moisturizer. If you have normal skin, do moisturize with a gentle moisturizer. And the people with combination skin need to use two different moisturizers in the two different areas of their face. The next step in the basic skincare routine is to wear a sunblock. It is very important to wear a sunscreen lotion or a sunblock cream no matter you're sitting inside the house or outside. A sunscreen or a sunblock blocks all the harmful rays that are emitted from the sun, keeping your skin youthful. The last and the final point in the basic skincare routine is to drink lots of water and stay hydrated. Drink lots of water and fluids so that you can stay hydrated, and in turn it can give you a very healthy glow from within. So that's pretty much it. I think I've covered most of the topics related to the basic skin types and the basic skincare routine. If you guys have any doubts related to this video, you can always comment below and I'll be very happy to reply to you all. And if you guys really like this video, do give a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe and also click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you get notified when my next video is up.